All right, so in this lesson, we are going to solve for unknowns for 45, 45, 90 triangles and 30, 60, 90 triangles. So when I say that, I mean 45 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. These tell you the number of degrees the angles are. So let's say we have a 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. So we know this is a right triangle. So right triangle. I can maybe do better. I hope I can do better. Oh, they have to be the same angle though. Okay. So close. So close. One more time. I'm going to let go. I'm going to do this. And I'm going to do this. Okay, I can do better. Yeah, that'll do. So let's say this is 45 degrees. And this is 45 degrees. And this is our 90 degree angle. Do it 90 degrees if you want. Then our angle, our side lengths. So let's say you have a side length of like 5. We're just going to represent that using x. So side length x. That means that this would also be the same because they're both the same angle, right? This goes across here, this goes across here. So they're the same side length, x. Now you would think that this would be like 2x, right? Because it's twice as big, like 90 is twice as big. But in reality, it would actually be x times the square root of 2. So if this was like 5, this would be 5, this would be 5, this would be 5, square root of 2. If this was like 7, it would be 7, this one would be 7, this would be 7, square root of 2. This one's pretty easy, so let's go on and use this stuff. So for instance, if this is 7, that means this is 7. That means this x, I'll put it over here so you can see it, is, well, remember really don't pay attention to the x's and the y's. Just know that this number, use one of these side numbers, right? So I'm actually going to change this to be x like that to make it easy. No, y'all get it. Y'all get it. So this is 7, this is 7. This is 7 square root of 2. Remember, this is x square root of 2. So equals 7 square root of 2. Oh, I guess I should be... I know it seems confusing because this is x and this is x, so I might just do it like this. This will be 7 square root of 2. So this is our original number. That's also the same. This is the same thing, but times square root of 2. It's tough to say this without overcomplicating it, so I'm going to do my best, all right? So in this one, we have that this is our original number. So that means this is also 3 square root of 2, right? But that means that this one, if this is 3 square root of 2 and this is square root of 2, and we know that this one, oh, that's what I usually do. And we know that this one is times the square root of 2, then this one's actually 3 square root of 2 square root of 2. Which is 3, well, I'll make some room like I did in the last one. This means that this is 3 square root of 2, square root of 2. Because remember, there was already square root of 2. We just put like 7 square root of 2, 7 square root of 2. So I'm going to do that. So if this is 3 square root of 2 and this is 3 square root of 2, this is 3 square root of 2 times the square root of 2. I can put a times there if it makes it easier. Which is 3 square root of 4, which is 3 times 2, which is 6. Right there. That looks like a B. I think that's good enough. Okay. So once again, this is... I just like, you know what? I know I always do this. I don't know why I just never thought of it. I didn't think about it this time. So this is x square root of 2. X square root of 2. So I'm going to put x square root of 2 is 8. So that means if this is x and this is x square root of 2, that means that I can just divide by square root of 2, divide by square root of 2, and I get x equals 8 over square root of 2. Which you can approximate something if you want. But I'd be cool if you were if you just label this like this. 8 over square root of 2. Okay, so once again, I getting rid of these. And then, so I know that this right here is x square root of 2. So 5 square root of 2 is x square root of 2. We obviously see that x is the 5, right? X is the 5, but I'll show you how that works just in case. Divide by square root of 2. Oh, that's the wrong order. I don't want to. So I'm going to reverse this. X square root of 2 equals 5 square root of 2, because most of you are having the x on the left side. And then to get the x alone, to isolate it, divide by square root of 2, divide by square root of 2, and I get x is 5. So this is 5, or I guess I could label it. Oops. That's 5. That's 5, and that's 5 square root of 2. Cool. Next page.